Hello, my name is Lacee Solis. I graduated from the MPA program at McGeorge School of Law in 2021. I now work for the public policy programs as the graduate admissions counselor, and I truly love that I get to tell prospective students about how rewarding the program is and how valuable it has been for me. One professor and the course that she taught, it was Professor Joanne Spears and her Pub 251 course, which is Values, Roles, and Skills. In that course, she taught us how the core values for public servants were really crucial for public servants to maintain the trust of their constituents and how important it was to always act with ethics. So that was one of the most beneficial courses for me. I believe an MPA advances your career in many ways. One is just the curriculum is built around real experiential learning. So you're learning hands-on what you're going to be using in the field. Additionally, they teach you data analysis and how to use visual graphs that can really take data and share it to a broad audience. And then it teaches you how to tailor your communications based on whatever stakeholders you're speaking with, and to really tailor your messaging to your audience, which allows you to be more effective in your messaging. So I was looking to get into public service, and I was coming from the private sector, but I knew that I had a passion to get involved in public service and to make a difference in my community and also in the broader society, and I wanted to learn how to do that effectively. So while I was looking for graduate programs, I came across the Master of Public Administration program at McGeorge. I was appealed that it was offered at an ABA accredited law school and that there was such an emphasis on the legal foundation in the education. I love that there were law courses built into the curriculum. And then additionally, I just wanted to learn how to really give back to my community and how I could be an effective public servant. The main reason McGeorge School of Law stood out along any other program I was looking at in the area, any other MPA program I was looking at in the area, is that it was offered at a law school. Another reason is the campus. When I came in toward the campus, it is so beautiful and it is so warm and inviting that I really saw myself here as a student. I saw myself studying on the patio of the McGeorge house. I saw myself hurrying off to class. So the campus really lends itself to the student experience. I believe the Oak Park neighborhood as well, just being in this historic neighborhood, really lends itself as well. One of my greatest experiences here as a student was the community that I joined at McGeorge and with the public policy programs. The community of students become family-like when you're progressing through the program together. You really build these strong connections as you're working on the many group projects that there are that are assigned to you, in addition to people who are going through similar circumstances, whether that's in their career or hardships while they're in the program. It's a really supportive community that I wasn't expecting, and I built bonds that I know will last a lifetime, whether that is needing a reference for a particular job, getting notified of job opportunities, or even just calling on them to hang out again. I built some really great bonds at McGeorge, and that is something that I was not expecting, but I'm very grateful for.